Are you still too reactive when it comes to your assets maintenance strategy? Do you struggle with shrinking budgets while striving to keep your plant's availability and utilization high? Are you using multiple tools that don't talk to each other? Wouldn't it be better if they were integrated in a tool that helps you focus on the right spots of the risk assessment process? The Integrity Management System helps you manage asset integrity and reliability from one place. Meet IMS RCM. IMS RCM helps you to determine the optimal preventative maintenance strategy for all your systems. And by using prioritization based on risk, it helps you to focus on the critical ones. IMS RCM lets you define the maintenance strategy by using simple maintenance strategy templates based on 30 years of experience, or by performing a full and detailed reliability-centered maintenance analysis to identify the economic, health and safety, and environmental aspects of a failure, and to define the optimal schedule for maintenance for every one of them. IMS RCM lets you take evidence of all performed inspection and maintenance tasks, and then use this data in the recalculation of future maintenance parameters. The combination of those approaches will lead you to an optimal combination of the plant availability and maintenance costs, thus increasing your plant profitability. IMS RCM has an easy-to-use web-based user interface to guide you through all steps of a detailed RCM assessment with many intelligently designed functionalities like the Strategy Decision Questionnaire or the What-If assessments to allow you to determine all relevant maintenance indicators, like Maintenance Efficiency Index, to help you decide an optimal maintenance strategy for all your assets in no time. IMS RCM offers extensive dashboard features, giving you a complete overview of the overall availability and various other useful indicators. Also, it has a custom reporting module to allow you to design your own reports the way your organization prefers. Using other applications to plan and schedule your maintenance tasks? No problem. The IMS RCM Manage Equipment Care functionality helps you view your preventative maintenance tasks as they are scheduled in SAP, Maximo, IntelliTrack, and others planning systems versus the IMS RCM recommended plan. If you decide to propose a maintenance execution plan change based on the RCM analysis, IMS RCM incorporates an approval workflow process with dedicated dashboards, mail notifications, user roles and disciplines, so every change to the maintenance process remains well controlled and tracked. Besides that, IMS RCM also offers many other features like the interfaces for AutoCAD and leading ERP systems such as SAP, JDE, etc. Working out of the office? No problem. IMS RCM is a responsive application that works on any device, so you can use it on the go. IMS RCM, the only tool you need to run a reliable and maximally available plant.